In today's video, we'll be learning how to sew this beautiful hair bonnet. It's a reversible hair bonnet made with Duchess satin. It's very beautiful and very simple to sew. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Vivian. You are welcome. Please drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and remember to like the video. You turn on your notification button so whenever we post another video you get notified. When you might have done that, let's get started. So like I said, the material used for this sewing tutorial is Duchess satin. You can see I have two different colors and two the same fabric. So I've already cut out the piece that I want. The length is 28 inches and the width is also 28 inches. So you can say that you have 28 by 28 inches. So you're going to place it this way, right side facing right side. Make sure you arrange it very well. And then you watch how I'm going to be folding it. You fold the first time and you fold the second time again. Just go ahead and pay attention to how I fold the fabric. After you're done with folding, next is to take your measurement. You can use your free hand to just shape in this edge like this, or you can just go ahead and measure it just the way I want to place my tape now. You pay attention. So you're going to place your tape like this from here to this end. You know what you have here. Mine is 13.5 inches. So I'll keep measuring that 13.5 inches. You can see how I'm placing my tape. I'll keep measuring it till I get to the other edge. Then I will use my hand to shape in the line and I'll go ahead to cut it out. Just pay attention and wash. After cutting, you'll have a circle shape like this. So you're going to place one with the right side facing up. Then you place the second one on top with the right side facing down. So definitely you're placing it right side facing each other. Okay. Now after that, you're going to arrange it very well. Then you use your tape or just mark out a space like this. That is about 5 inches or 4 inches wide. Just leave a space 4 inches or 5 inches wide. Then from edge of the other one, you start measuring half inch. Measure half inch all round. Okay, after measuring the half inch, you're going to sew it beginning from the edge of the 5 inches that you mark, one of them from this side. You sew it all round, then you stop at the other side. Okay, you are not stitching it close, so you can be able to turn it to the right side. So you stitch and stop here. After stitching it, this is what I have. Then you open it from this side, you turn it to the right side from this opening. So after turning it, make sure you bring out all the edges, bring out very well. Then you go ahead and iron it flat. Just watch what I'm doing now. So after ironing it, the next step is to mark out these lines that I just marked. I did that off camera. So you're going to mark 1 inch, place your tape and mark 1 inch all the way round. After that, from where the 1 inch stop, you're going to place your tape and mark another half inch all the way around. Okay, now for the stitching, for the 1 inch, you're going to start from where the opening stop and stitch and stop here just like you did for the first time. Okay, you're going to also leave an opening. Okay, then for the other half inch, you're going to stitch it all the way around. No need to leave any opening. So after stitching it, this is what is looking like. Now I'm going to fit this band through that half inch that I marked. So the length of the band is 18 inches. You can make it 17 if you want. So I'm going to place this pin here, and then I'm going to fix it from that 1/2 inch, not the 1 inch, okay, from the center of that 1/2 inch that I stitched, and I'm going to place it till it comes out from the other opening. So this remaining opening here, you're just going to fold it inside, fold the two inside, then you top stitch, or you can use your needle to make invisible stitch, but for me I like top stitching on it. Okay, so after you are done, your reversible hair bonnet is ready. You can turn this color, or you turn it to the other color. You can see that it's very simple and it's not even hard to sew. So if you like the video, help us like the video, drop your comments so that YouTube can be able to push it to other people that might like it. Okay, and remember to subscribe to your channel. See you next time when we post another video. Just enjoy the view. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.